To buy strong block token the easiest way in 2022. You will need to use Uniswap, a popular decentralized exchange. First, you need to have a digital wallet, such as MetaMask, that supports Ethereum. If you do not have one, create a new wallet and make sure to save your seed phrase in a safe place. Next, you need to add Ethereum to your wallet. You can do this by buying Ethereum on a centralized exchange like Coinbase or Binance, and then transferring it to your wallet. Once you have Ethereum in your wallet, go to uniswap.org and click on the Launch App button. Connect your wallet to Uniswap by clicking on the Connect Wallet button and selecting your wallet provider. After connecting, you will see the Uniswap interface where you can trade different tokens. To buy strong block token, you need to navigate to the trade section and click on Select a token. In the search bar, type strong block token and select it from the list if you cannot find it. You can paste the contract address of strong block token into the search bar. Once you have selected the token, enter the amount of Ethereum you want to spend and click on the swap button. Before confirming the transaction, make sure to review the details, including the amount of strong block token you will receive and the transaction fees. If everything looks good, click on the Confirm button to complete the transaction. Your wallet will prompt you to confirm the transaction, and once you do, the transaction will be processed on the Ethereum blockchain. It is essential to note that trading on Uniswap carries risks, including price volatility and liquidity risks. Make sure to do your own research and set a budget before buying any tokens. Additionally, be aware of the transaction fees and the potential for slippage, which can affect the price of the token. By following these steps, you can easily buy strong block token on Uniswap. Remember to always prioritize security and do your own research before making any investment decisions.